we decided not to do dining room. Hey? Probably TMI, but she hasn't gone to the bathroom in a few days, so she is quite uncomfortable. So we're chilling here. It is... The ships are rocking. The ocean is oceaning so much that they've closed the pool. As you can see, it is very oceaned. Watch the horizon line. Lunchtime. Happy Emirates. Ocean continues to very ocean right now. We are rocking and rolling. Not sure how much you guys can see of this, but some of these waves are like insane. A lot of people not feeling super great. I'm glad I'm not prone to seasickness because like I'm feeling like slightly not great, but for the most part definitely not as bad as a lot of people right now. So for right now I've decided that we're just going to hang out in our room, at least for a while. There's not a whole lot going on anyway, and then it is really hard to navigate the ship right now with it just moving so much. It is a workout. It's like an incline workout where it's randomly switching from one way to the other. So yeah, so like it's like people are just trying to sit down, people when they are trying to get around, it's hard, and so it's like we're just gonna, I think, hang out in here. What's happening? Is the boat moving? You're doing better than you did on the Crown. And in my opinion, this is more bumpy than the Crown. Did you find stroller food? It's funny to watch it on the screen and be like, yeah, it's like a VR ride. 4D ride. A couple times there's been big splashes, like huge ones, going up and over, so it's crazy. In an hour is the guest talent show, so I think we're gonna go try to do that. She is not happy we're in here. I mean, she's playing, but it is very hard with her today. Guest talent show. Woo. Hope no one's gonna try to dance or do anything like that.
I know it's too rocky, bro.
about a drink. They only drink the whole cruise. The yummy? Don't eat the whole thing. Don't eat the end piece.
If you snooze, you lose. 073 is the last bingo ball out. And the next bingo ball, everybody, is B11. 8168. Let's verify. Eyes on the screen. Boom! A good claim of bingo. Who's away? Raise your hands. I cannot see you. You're so young to tell me to wait. Come on, I'm waiting for the seniors, but you should mark these numbers a little faster. All this? How did you get all this? How much you spend?
A lot.
Okay, so if you have all of this, I'll respond. Next bingo ball out is I-19. Good, I-19 is the last item called. Remember to mark the numbers only on the...
Let's do jingle bells for the kids.
There we go.
The sad thing was sitting in our thingy. I told our room attendant not to bother doing our room today because we've been in and out, but sad departure time. Farewell show. It's at 7, so some people are still having supper. We'll see. It looks like it's fairly busy. Time to pack. Emrys is pulling all the things out. I'm gonna have to put them all back in.